Recently, we've had an enormous amount of rain in our area, and we got literally cut off from the outside world. And there's no way out in a lot of directions that you look. And you look at the situation in the world right now with the politics around the oil situation and the wars going on, and you realize how fragile our existence is. And there's a lot of unemployment, a lot of job insecurity. And that's why I decided to get involved in the digital space and start my own business. Now I'm doing business internationally. I've got a customer base that's potentially 5.4 billion strong every day. And people that are looking for things are out there in the digital space. They're looking for work. They're looking for opportunities. That's the reason why you're on this call right now and looking at it. And I would advise you, yes, there's a lot of people out there that cannot be trusted, but the way to go about it is ask all the right questions. Don't commit to anything until you have all the answers, until you see everything, physically see everything, physically see the person, in this case me, face to face, or hear a voice and make sure that there's somebody on the end of the other line. And just look at the systems, look at how it works, look at the proof of income, look at everything, ask the questions, and then you can at least make an informed decision instead of just trusting a broke friend. So my business is internationally, it works. Even when I go on leave, it works. And it earns US dollars. There's 100% commissions structures. You don't share it with anybody. You don't have to carry any stock, any staff, none of that nonsense. No premises to rent. So there's a lot of common sense and good value there in terms of low monthly expenses. My details are right there. You can WhatsApp me. You can go to my website and check it out, and let me help you.